everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little meal prepping today for the week. It is Sunday. I work every day next week, it seems like. I think I have Friday off, so that'll be nice, but I'm working like the Thursday night before. I'm doing days and nights, and it's like really, it's taking a toll, but you know, I like to pick up extra hours. Don't ask me why. But we're doing a little meal prepping today, and I thought I'm gonna make something quick and easy that we can eat on through the week. I'm also gonna film a recipe video. Let me tell you, I finally went to the grocery store yesterday, and it was just like, it was almost embarrassing pushing that cart around. I had so much stuff in it, and but it was long overdue, and I got a lot of great things, got a lot of good things to eat. I got plenty of fruits and all kinds of good stuff. I'll show you my refrigerator in a minute. You've never seen my refrigerator so packed before. But today for meal prep, I'm going to make, I'm just going to do some Cincinnati chili spaghetti for to eat for the next couple days. Now I'm also going to do a video today. I bought some salmon and some shrimp. I'm going to do it in like a creamy basil type sauce. I also bought some of the what do you call this? This little bow tie, little baby farfalle, whatever they're called. The pasta. I'm going to do that as well. I'm going to do that for dinner today. This is going to be the Cincinnati chili spaghetti. Is going to be eat on the next couple days. I told you I went to the grocery store, and I just got back from the dollar store because I always forget to buy tomato paste, and I was out, so I needed some tomato paste. But let me show you what else I came back with. So I went just for a couple cans of tomato paste. They didn't have any at the dollar store. They didn't have any tomato paste at the dollar store. I was telling him that too. But I got some Ziploc bags. I got 3 packs of these containers. I like to get these. These are made by Pillsbury. These are really nice containers. These are nice and big. You can put a sandwich in there, or you know, a couple sides, whatever, if you're taking for lunch. I love those things. And these are perfect to put leftovers in. It's a little dark in here, and these, I really like these too. See, if you put a sandwich in that instead of like a Ziploc bag, your sandwich does not get squashed in the process. And then I got this. I already have one here, but I don't know where it's at. You know, we lose stuff. Oh, look how cute that is. This, I'm going to put my Halloween candy in there. Now, we don't never get trick-or-treaters, but you know, I like to keep it ball.
Dollar store have anything left?
Let's talk for a minute. He said he was going to go mow grass, clean his car out. He said he was going to do something. I'm still waiting for him to go do that.
Not doing nothing.
That's the truth. He's not doing anything.
Give you $1.
He didn't give me no dollar. He wished he gave me $1. He wished he gave me $1. All right, look. Anyway, sorry for the rude interruption, but I like to keep candy on hand like this. Well, just because, you know, I'm a big girl and that's what I like. But especially around the holidays, you know, like Christmas, I love to have like a bowl of candy sitting out. And let me tell you what. Let me tell you who's the big candy eater too. He acts like he don't eat no candy.
I don't like candy.
But I like to have it, you know, just sitting around. It's just kind of holiday-ish, if you know what I mean. But we don't have any trick-or-treaters here. We live out in the country, so this is what I do. 'Cause I like to snack this stuff. And I got some, what else did I get? I got some stuff to do laundry in. I got some cheese. See, I got some cheese here. Make yourself useful for the refrigerator. And then I got another box of spaghetti. Here's a box of spaghetti for my I got a whole bunch of tomato paste. I only got 4. Then they had this at the checkout. Usually around the holiday season they start passing these little flyers out when you go to checkout. So I might check some of this stuff out and maybe doing a couple videos of that. Look at that. It's Santa Claus time. Look. So he ended up going to a yard sale yesterday and brought me back a couple presents. I love presents. I love presents. Speaking of presents, I have an Amazon wish list on here, so feel free to send me something, you know. Your girl works really hard at these videos. Ain't that right? I don't know where he went. So he's magically not in here when I want him to be. And he's always in here when I don't want him to be. But he brought me a friend of his that he kind of does some work. They kind of switch out doing work on different things. I don't know the whole story, but anyway, I think his mother, not my husband's mother, but his friend's mother, I think she's ended up going into like a long-term care facility, and they were doing like an auction on all the different things that she has, which is so heartbreaking, especially if you're a long-term care nurse like I am. It's just, it's sad. But he brought me back a couple things. He brought me this Avon tree. It's still in the box. It's a Christmas tree. It's ceramic. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to get that out and show it to you. It's white, and he brought me a Christmas tree cookie jar. Brand new, never been opened, so I'm going to show you that too. You know, I'm definitely a Christmas whore. I love Christmas. Love Christmas. Everything about it. He also got, I know you can probably see back there, there's always shit sitting back there. Always. I can't. That's like, let's just bring it in and sit it right there. But he bought a couple of heaters. Like, my daughter's room gets really cold in the winter, so the oil heater, we like to keep her with one of those on hand, because that way she can turn it on and make sure her room gets nice and warm in there. And then he brought this other one. I don't even know what it is, but sometimes we use it. Bottom line, sometimes we use it. So I'm going to get my Cincinnati chili put on, and I think I'm going to toast me a bagel. I've got some bagel. Let me show you my refrigerator. Feast your eyes on that. Look at that. My refrigerator is finally full. I got some salads for the week. I like these things. Like little chef salad. I think I got a chicken Caesar too. I bought 3 of those. I got plenty of yogurt. If you've never bought the Kroger yogurt before, if you have a Kroger's where you live, I'm telling you what, I've discovered that this is the best yogurt to me. I love the strawberry banana. It is so good. Oh, that's the dog's food. You know, I usually cook the dog chicken, but I've been mixing their food with their morning food only with some of this, like savory rice and lamb. They love this stuff. Got me some sushi, got some pineapple, some strawberries, some blueberries, some grapes, and there's Olivia. She has to have her Chobani or whatever it's called. She loves the blueberry yogurt. I also got some bagels, which, like I said, oops, you don't see that back there. Just forget that's back there. I got some bagels. I got some blueberry and the everything bagel, which I'm going to toast me one of those here in just a minute. I got some ground beef in here that I'm going to start my chili with, my Cincinnati chili spaghetti. I got some cream cheese, and then Olivia really likes this stuff here. It is spinach and artichoke dip with Parmesan. It's made with Greek yogurt. Usually, I couldn't remember if she liked that one or if she liked, this one had jalapenos in it. She liked that really well, so, but I got the wrong one, but that's all right. She really likes it anyway. So we are nice and stocked refrigerator-wise. Look at that. Now, I'm going to get me a bagel toasted, some cream cheese on it. I'm hungry. It's going on at 12 o'clock. And then I'm going to get my chili put on for my Cincinnati chili spaghetti. And then, after I get that done, I'm going to film you guys a fantastic recipe video. Okay, let me show you a couple of these cute little things that he brought back for me. So adorable. So adorable. Look at that. This is exactly what it looks like. It's a cookie jar, a Christmas tree cookie jar. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Never been opened. Still got the, you know, the little stuffing in there. It's nice and big. There's some onion peelings in there. I'm sure we'll want that. Look at that. Look how big that is. And you know, maybe I can use this for my little candy thing like this at Christmas. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. That is going to be so pretty sitting out at Christmas time. So pretty. I had to show him this. I really like that. I really like it. So we're going to put that back together. Very pretty. I like it. Let me show you the other one. And this one. This is from Avon, and you can tell this box is like super old. It says fiber optic porcelain tree. And this is really pretty too. That's still in the container. Look how pretty that is. I did open these up yesterday, and it's got a little wind-up thing on there, but I don't know if it's just so old that it won't play, or if it really has to have just the batteries for it. But it takes batteries, and I'm assuming that, you know, it lights up. Look how pretty that is. And then it comes with these little balls here, little Christmas ornaments, and there's little tiny hooks. I don't know if you can see, but there's little tiny hooks on there. Like right there is one that those little Christmas balls hang from. Look at that. Look how detailed that is. Look at that. Little nutcracker. And all right, guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I've got my spaghetti on. My Cincinnati chili is done. That's going to be for like a couple days worth of meals. I'm making some homemade garlic bread, which is so simple and easy. And I want you to look down and see what I made for today. Look at this. Look at that. Look how amazing that looks. This is salmon and shrimp and a creamy red type tomatoey sauce. It's got basil and garlic and onion flakes, and it is so, so good. And I made some little bow tie pasta to go with it. It's amazing. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna get my garlic bread in the oven. I'm gonna end this video. I love you guys so very much. You know I do. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.